So let us now welcome MKB, and here he is. Hi, hi, sir. How are you?
Doing really good, sir. How are you doing?
I am very good, and thank you very much for coming in, for joining in this show. I know you're a big singer.
No, sir, I'm actually very glad that I could be a part of it. Thanks for having
Yeah.
me. It's my pleasure.
Friends, as I've told earlier, we have definitely MKB, as we all people call him in Chennai, and he has been a brilliant singer, and he has done some of my jingles previously with a very great friend of mine called John Peter, and
Yeah.
MKB does a lot of work. So MKB Balaji, tell us something about yourself.
Well, I feel like I'm part of a software interview.
Yeah.
Is it randomly start off with tell me about yourself? But yeah, I think today I think super special because in terms of being a Teachers' Day, I'm super glad that we're doing this today. And I think I've had a phenomenal journey in my life in terms of I'm not somebody who started off my life very early up with music and all of that. I started with my music journey pretty late.
Yeah.
And I think I've been very fortunate that in spite of starting super late, I've had chances of singing over like 150 songs in South Indian movies in like 3 different languages, working with the likes of multiple music directors. Right from I've had the chances to sing for. I did sing one song for Rahman sir, which did not come out. I'm hoping when it will come out, but I did for Rahman sir one, and I've been with like multiple music directors like Haris Jayaraj, Yuvan Shankar Raja, Iman, most of the South Indian big directors, and I think I've been super fortunate. And most importantly, I've also had recently I also started writing lyrics for some of the songs as well. I'm doing my own original stuff, and I know that during our discussion, you were also saying, yeah, I've also hosted some leading music shows on television. So I've also been a television host.
Yeah.
And I think I'm also somebody who's always been into tech stuff, and I've been working as in some startups or stuff like that. So that's also another piece of me.
That's very nice. That's very interesting. And tell us something about your schooling, your college, and all. Everything I know has been in Chennai. So tell us, because the people here in North definitely want to hear you, and we'd love that you in future also you do a lot of Hindi numbers for us.
Yeah, I wish. I'm super pumped if something on those lines have happened. If it does happen, because there are few things that are lined up. So let's keep our fingers crossed. But I think my schooling I've had a very humble schooling experience. It's not like one of the most popular schools out there in South India, stuff like that. It's a very, very humble school. I know people from different strata. People from different strata of economic status study there. So I think my schooling has been one of the most humbling experiences, which I'm still taking back. Yeah. The fact that I've had super extremely, some industrialist son studying there. I've had a fisherman's son studying there. I know one of my friend who's still a dear friend of mine, who's now actually in US doing major software stuff. But her father is a carpenter. And as like when you are there from a school which has got very humble backgrounds, I think it helps you a big way, that it helps you respect people from different strata. Because sometimes when you're in this bubble, all you know is probably people from the IT industry or this HEP industry, or especially in the entertainment industry. It makes you believe that it's a bubble by itself, right? You believe that, hey, iPad and AirPods are like norm. But you know that 95% of the people are not with that. And I think it gives you that respect. And I think I still give it to my school and my teachers there of bringing a lot of sanity in my thoughts.
So friends, with a lot of difficulty, we've got MKB Balaji to be with us. And we request him to sing his song. And whom would you like to dedicate this song? What song are you singing?
I'm singing one of my favorites from the movie Chak De.
Yeah.
It's called Mola Mere. And I mean, Chak De is one of my most favorite films. And I think every time I listen to the song, it's very, very passionate, deep, and motivating.
Yeah.
And I think this, I think, is important for us in the times of these crises where we're all super down and we really are we're going through a curve of, hey, we don't know what to do, to yes, I love this lockdown, to shit, I hate this lockdown. We're all having these very tough times. I thought this song will really help us pep us up. And I'm dedicating this to my Hindustani teacher, Mr. Krishna Balesh, who's played a very pivotal role in my music, and to my another guru who's not been my guru, but he's always been my guru, Mr. S.V. Balasubramaniam sir. And I really wish that he has a really speedy recovery here.
Yeah. We all wish that he recovers very quickly. So can we have your song, please, Balaji?
Yep, sure. Let's do this.
Yeah.
You're able to hear the track?
Yeah.
तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, जिया तेरे ढंग से मैं तो, तू ही था मौला तू ही आ मौला मेरे, ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान। तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, जिया तेरे ढंग से मैं तो, तू ही था मौला तू ही आ मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान। तेरे संग केली होली, तेरे संग की दिवाली, तेरे आंगनों की छाया, तेरे संग सावन आया, तेरे ले तू चाहे नजरे चाहे चुरा ले, लौट के तू आए गारे शर्त लगा ले। तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, तीजा तेरा रंग था मैं तो, जिया तेरे ढंग से मैं तो, तू ही था मौला तू ही आ मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान, मौला मेरे ले मेरी जान।
क्या बात, मजा आ गया सर जी, मजा आ गया।
Thank you, sir. Glad you liked it.
बहुत अच्छा। एक बालाजी सर, एक रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे कि
हाँ बोलिए।
किसी भी और ये रिक्वेस्ट मैं हिंदी में कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ बोलिए।
आपने कोई भी तमिल, तेलुगु या कन्नड़ा मूवी से एनी मूवी, अगर आप 2 लाइन किसी का गुनगुना दे तो।
तमिल में बोल रहे हैं आप कुछ गाना?
तमिल सॉन्ग दैट यू हैव डन, और तेलुगु, एनी 2
Sure.
लाइन या 3 लाइन किसी भी मूवी का.
आपको सूर्या का हीरो पता है ना?
Yeah.
सूर्या हीरो.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I did मैंने एक गाना गाया था सूर्या सर के लिए.
Okay.
और वो in the music of Haris Jayaraj, who did रहना है तेरे दिल में का music director Haris Jayaraj. So I think it's called Rettek Kadire. It's a funky western number. I'll do a few lines of that.
Yeah, that's great.
Hey Rettek Kadire, இதோ நீ நான் பக்கம் இருந்தும் தூரம் எதற்கு எட்டும் வரையில் எங்கும் நீ நான் பற்றி படரி தோளை நிமித்து தீர 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 தீரே வண்ணம் வேறு வானம் வேறு இருவரின் கடல் வேறு.
Yeah, too good. Absolutely fantastic. So thank you
you
very much, sir, for coming in and giving us these 10-15 valuable minutes of yours.
No, absolutely my pleasure, and thank you for doing this super noble and happy Teachers Day to all the teachers out there.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.